Come into a cross-legged seated position, or if you prefer sitting on a chair, that's also fine, and just place your feet on the floor. And before we get started with Brahmari Breath, I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so already, and make sure to drop me a comment. Where are you tuning in from? I would love to know. Yeah, let's get to know each other a bit better. I would really appreciate that. Okay, Brahmari Breath. I've done it in some of my videos before, but I wanted to have this one specific video for Brahmari Breath because it's so powerful. It's really such a great tool to get rid of anxiety and even depression. Breathing in general is super important. I've said it many times before. Breathing helps reduce the stress hormone cortisol. So if you are often feeling stressed and maybe have trouble sleeping well, this is your breathing technique to go to. It looks a bit funny, so you will see, because we will work with our hands in our face. So you can place the fingers, either you just place all the fingers on your eyes like this, and you push the ears, but wait until I'm done talking, but you will push with the thumbs on your ears here, and you inhale, and then with the exhale, when you push, you make a bee sound, like a flying bee. Yeah. So this is the easy way to do it, but you can also place like the pinky to your mouth, the ring finger to your nose corners, and then the other two up here in between your eyebrows, like in the inside of the eye and above. So it's a bit challenging depending on how big your hands are. That's the original way. So you inhale and you exhale, you push the ears, like the thumbs on your ears, and you make the B sound. Inhale and exhale. Continue doing this. I will do it with you for a few minutes, and I invite you to really just focus on this breath and see what it does with you. Okay, let's get going. I invite you to continue with this breath and let me know in the comments if you felt any sensation, maybe more peaceful or more quiet, calm. Let me know. I would love to hear. See See you next time. Thank you.